In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all project milestones in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's jump right in. Asana is such a powerful tool for managing projects, and knowing how to view your project milestones can really help keep your team on track. We'll go through two methods to achieve this, starting with the Overview tab. First, you need to open your specific project in Asana. Once you're there, look at the tab options at the top of the page and click on the Overview tab. This is where you'll get a bird's-eye view of your project's progress. As you scroll down, keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the Overview page. You will find a comprehensive list of all project milestones. This section provides a detailed snapshot of key achievements that you've set for your project. You'll see the dates, descriptions, and everything you need to keep track of your project goals. Now, if you prefer a more detailed view, let's move on to the second method, filtering the list view. Start by opening your project again. Ensure that you're in the list view. This is important because we want to focus on the tasks in your project. If you don't see the list view, you might be in another format, like board view. Just click on the list view option to switch over. Once you're in the list view, look up to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find a Filter button. Click on that and a menu will pop up. In this menu, you want to select the option that says Add Filter. It allows you to customize what you're seeing in your project. Once you do this, you'll see various categories you can filter by. From here, choose Task Type from the filter categories. This will enable you to focus on specific types of tasks in your project. It's especially useful when you want to simplify the information you're analyzing. Next, in the options that appear, select Milestone. This will narrow down your list so that it only displays those key achievements that are crucial for your project timeline. What's great about using this filter is that it gives you a clear focus on what you need to accomplish, letting you see how many milestones are set against the tasks that are currently in progress. And there you have it. Whether you choose to check the Overview tab or the list view with a filter, Asana makes it really straightforward to see all your project milestones. This knowledge can help you manage your deadlines better and ensure that everyone on your team is aligned and aware of the key achievements coming up. Don't forget to explore both methods. There might be one you prefer over the other. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Asana and enhancing your project management skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.